Civil engineering is everywhere. It's in every road you drive. It's in the clean water you drink. It's where you live, work, and play. It really is all around you. Civil engineers help improve the lives of millions of people every day. Civil engineering is one of the several prominent creative fields of engineering. It is a discipline that comprises of fields of design and construction of physically built structures such as bridges, roads, dams, canals, and huge residential and commercial buildings. It is obviously possible that there are much more constructions and designs in future, leading a way to the rise in civil engineers. Civil engineers earn high pay and play an important role in the community development. Building a career is all about building a solid foundation. Pursuing civil engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore, that's exactly what you'll get. Why civil engineering at Hindustan? We create highly qualified and skilled engineering graduates who in turn become the creators and guardians of a civilization. Did you know the department here maintains a team of dedicated and multifaceted faculty members who are constantly pushing the frontiers of knowledge and quality education to ensure a futuristic approach that keeps pace with the changing trends in the professional world through our global perspective. Established in the year 2009, we have invested in our building infrastructure, facilities, and industry standard equipment which enable the integration of engineering theory and experiment. The following are the different laboratories of the department: Strength of Materials Laboratory, Fluid Mechanics and Machinery Laboratory, Survey Laboratory, Soil Mechanics Laboratory, Concrete and Highway Laboratory, Environmental Engineering Laboratory, Computer Aided Design and Drafting Laboratory. We take the course beyond the classroom. We are well connected with the local and national industry, where you get the chance to experience real-life industry challenges and projects through guest lectures, regular company and field visits, and national level workshops, seminars, and conferences. You can undergo in-plant training and internship programs in reputed firms. Students here are active members of ISTE and ICI student chapters. They have constantly participated and excelled in national level co-curricular and extracurricular activities. The department has an active Creators Club encouraging students to take up, improve, and most of all, enjoy the hobby of building scale models. The Eco Club of the department empowers students to participate and take up meaningful environmental activities and projects. Graduates are set on a course for a range of employment opportunities. There are a number of specialized areas where one can focus based on personal interest. The main areas of focus for civil engineers include structural engineering, construction, geotechnical engineering, water resources, environmental engineering, and transportation. Civil engineers also often hold supervisory and ministerial positions, and still others might choose to work in design, teaching, or research. We have indeed produced world-class graduates over the decade, many who have progressed into project managers, designers, and entrepreneurs within our nation as well as abroad. Hear from some of our students why they chose to study here and what they enjoy about their course.
So happy and proud to say that I'm a former student of Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. As basically I'm from a practically oriented department, we had to learn everything out of the box, and our professors never failed to teach us what we wanted, rather what we needed. So I would definitely suggest my friends, cousins, or relatives, everyone to choose their career in this college, because this would definitely make a very good history in their life, because many of my friends got placed in government sectors and railways, and even I'm so lucky that I've got my first placement from my college and I'm pursuing my life very happily.
First of all, I am proud to address myself as civil engineer, and the way I have been groomed into one by this department. BE Civil Engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology has been an enjoyable journey of learning with excellent classroom teaching, practical training, industrial visits, seminars and workshops. Avenues were created to interact with the experts from the industrialists and the R&D sectors, which helped us to choose our career path. We had innumerable opportunities to enriching our knowledge and equipping ourselves to meet challenges in our field. As a secretary of Association of Civil Engineering Students, I also had an opportunity to strengthening my leadership skills and team skills. Choose this branch if you want to transform the world's infrastructure and make your creation to stand for the generation to come.
You might wonder why we chose to join the same college. That's because we are each other's favorite companion and prefer to be in a pleasant environment always. Moreover, our Department of Civil Engineering is a second home. They welcome me with open arms, just like they accepted my sister into their family. The faculty have always been our backbone and moral support and believed in every single student's potential. The placement opportunities are also very wide and inclusive. Their batch of 2020 has secured a lot of placement opportunities. Like most of them are already placed in core companies and MNCs with amazing packages. As the students of Hindustan, we get to participate in all sorts of co-curricular and extracurricular events and celebrate, and we have thus evolved as an entirely new person with so much courage and confidence. And we both are proud to be Hindustani.
Department of Civil Engineering in Hindustan College has got impeccable lab facilities. Having visited n number of colleges, I can safely say that the lab facilities we have got here is on par with other reputed institutions of the country, that you can very well perform each and every syllabus prescribed experiments without any difficulties within the campus. This is the standard we have got here.
I am from Ladakh and currently I am pursuing my BE Civil Engineering from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. My college life has been the best of 3 years of my entire life. I must say civil engineering department is the best, so you can enjoy your life as well as to make your career for your future. Hopefully you will like it, you'll enjoy the life.
Currently in UK pursuing my Masters in Project Management. After graduation, I had the opportunity to work with different corporates and startups to enhance my first day of my college. I was very freaked out and stressed, and one of the best staff and supporting lecturers and also my friends who gave me extensive support throughout my 4 years. And we also had one of the best moments throughout our workshops and different symposiums, cultural activities, especially Renaissance. It's one of the best memories I'm still cherishing about. So I wish all the very best to my department and to the college for future endeavors, and by producing new budding engineers to the country.
My name is Annapurni and I'm serving in Indian Army. I got recommended in my final year college and I'm from Civil Department, and I would like to say that I got groomed when I was in college, and I'm so happy that I put Civil Department. HOD ma'am, faculty, they were too friendly to me and they guided me a lot. And the most important is college should not be a place where you only get education. It should also be a place where you have to groom yourself and you have to get knowledge and you have to explore yourself. And the civil department in Hindustan College is the best place to groom yourself and to explore more. And see, I am from a remote village and I am from a remoted area, but somehow I managed to reach civil department in Hindustan College, and now I am serving in Indian Army and I am far from my hometown and I am achieving many things which I can do and people like you also can do, and I am sitting in front of you as a good example. Hope that you will choose Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology and Civil Department to crack your life in the best way. Thank you.
Civil engineers have cool jobs. They're creative and innovative people. They make an impact and change lives, making our world a better place. If you want an amazing career that makes a difference, then do something real. Be a civil engineer. And Hindustan is definitely your right call.